Using eBay funds to buy is a convenient way to purchase items on the platform without having to use external payment methods. To start, you need to have an eBay account with available funds in your eBay balance. This balance is typically made up of payments you have received from selling items on eBay or refunds from previous purchases. First, find the item you want to buy on eBay by searching for it in the search bar. Once you have found the item, click on it to go to the item page. On the item page, you will see the price of the item, the seller information, and the payment options. To use your eBay funds to buy the item, click on the Buy It Now button or place a bid if it is an auction. You will then be taken to the payment page where you can select your eBay balance as the payment method. If you have enough funds in your eBay balance to cover the cost of the item, you can use them to complete the purchase. If you do not have enough funds in your eBay balance, you can add another payment method such as a credit card or PayPal to cover the remaining amount. It is essential to note that you can only use your eBay balance to pay for items on eBay and not for other websites or external purchases. Best practices for using eBay funds to buy include keeping your eBay balance up to date and ensuring you have enough funds to cover the cost of the item before making a purchase. Additionally, always review the item description and seller information before buying to ensure you are purchasing from a reputable seller. In summary, using eBay funds to buy is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your eBay funds to purchase items on the platform and take advantage of the convenience and security that eBay provides.